Now tell me what it is you're wearing.
A shirt.
What kind of a shirt?
A skirt shirt.
A skirt shirt? And what about the pants?
They're short.
Uh-huh. Where'd you get those from?
My room.
And the socks?
Yes.
Now, what was the inspiration for these colors?
I was trying to make a different pattern.
Oh.
Look, here's a sign of grape juice.
Is this the first time you've ever picked an outfit?
Yes.
Yes. That's what I thought.
Look at me.
Can you strike a pose?
Huh?
Show me a pose. Show me a model pose.
I'm on video. Can I have a video?
We did a video.
No, we did.
See?